Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Croc straps is probably one of the most versatile and essential accessories for anyone looking to refresh their favorite pair of Crocs, offering a fantastic opportunity to personalize your footwear and extend the life of your beloved clogs. Whether your original straps have succumbed to wear and tear, or you're simply seeking a new aesthetic, these replacement straps provide a cost-effective and stylish solution that can completely transform the look and feel of your shoes, making them feel brand new again. Number 5. KOTESLLOE Replacement Rivets for Crocs. Don't let missing rivets ruin your favorite Crocs. We have the perfect solution to get them back in shape. These replacement rivets are designed for a quick and easy fix. Restore the comfort and style of your footwear in no time. Crafted for durability, these parts ensure a secure fit. They are made to last, keeping your Crocs functional and fashionable. This set includes 8 replacement rivets, providing everything you need. You'll have spares on hand for future needs. Simply replace the old or lost rivets with these new ones. Enjoy walking in your comfortable and secure Crocs again. What we like. This set offers a robust and straightforward solution for replacing lost or broken rivets. Its durable design ensures a secure fit, making it ideal for those who need a reliable fix. If you're looking for a no-fuss way to repair your Crocs, this is a great option. What people say. The straps are a perfect fit for my Crocs, making them feel like new again. Easy to attach and they stay securely in place, no more worries about them falling off. The material feels durable and looks just like the original straps, a great replacement option. Number 4. Soft Croc Replacement Straps. Experience unparalleled comfort with our soft, adjustable replacement straps. Designed to fit perfectly, they offer a stylish upgrade to your favorite footwear. Effortlessly adjust the fit to your liking. These straps provide a personalized and secure feel for all-day wear. Crafted from premium, soft material, they ensure a gentle touch against your skin. Enjoy a luxurious feel with every step. Built to last, these straps are as durable as they are comfortable. They are designed to withstand daily use while maintaining their shape and softness. Say goodbye to discomfort. Our adjustable design guarantees a perfect fit, making them an ideal choice for anyone seeking superior comfort and a refined look. What we like. Experience superior comfort with these adjustable straps. The soft material provides a gentle feel, while the adjustability ensures a perfect fit for any activity. If you prioritize comfort and a customizable fit for your Crocs, these are an excellent choice. What people say. The straps are a perfect fit for my Crocs, making them feel like new again. Easy to attach and they stay securely in place, even during active use. The material feels durable and comfortable, just like the original straps. Number 3. Soft Croc Replacement Straps. Introducing our new replacement straps. They are designed for ultimate comfort and a stylish look. Easily adjust them to find your perfect fit. Enjoy a secure and comfortable feel all day long. Crafted from premium soft material, these straps feel incredibly gentle against your skin. Swapping out your old straps is a breeze. You'll have them on in no time. These are the perfect solution for replacing worn-out or damaged straps. Give your favorite item a fresh new look. What we like. Achieve a personalized fit with these lightweight straps. They offer a secure hold without adding bulk, perfect for all-day wear. If you desire a secure yet barely there feel for your Crocs, these adjustable straps are the way to go. What people say. The straps are durable and hold up well to daily wear and tear. Easy to attach and detach, making it convenient to switch out different styles or colors. The design is sleek and complements the look of the Crocs without being bulky. Number 2. Soft Croc Replacement Straps. Experience unparalleled comfort with our soft replacement straps. Designed to be gentle on your skin, they offer a perfect blend of style and wearability. Finding your perfect fit is effortless. These straps are easily adjustable, ensuring a secure and personalized feel throughout your day. Crafted from premium soft Croc material, these straps provide a luxurious feel. Enjoy the supple texture that enhances your everyday wear. Say goodbye to discomfort. Our adjustable design guarantees a perfect fit, adapting to your unique needs for maximum satisfaction. Give your favorite accessories a fresh new look. These versatile straps are the ideal way to refresh your style with ease and elegance. What we like. These straps provide versatile adjustment for a secure and breathable fit. They are designed to keep your feet comfortable and your Crocs in place, no matter the activity. If you need a secure closure that also allows for airflow, consider these. What people say. These straps are a perfect fit for my Crocs, making them feel like new again. The material is durable and has held up well to daily wear and tear. Easy to attach and detach, which is convenient for cleaning or switching styles. Number 1. CALZURO Heel Strap Kit. Tired of your clogs slipping? Introducing the CALZURO Heel Strap Kit, designed to keep your footwear secure. These Italian rubber straps provide a snug and comfortable fit, ensuring your clogs stay in place all day long. With buckles and hardware included, upgrading your clogs is a breeze. Get a secure fit in minutes. Crafted from high-quality Italian rubber, these straps are built to last and withstand daily wear. This kit comes with everything you need: 2 straps, buckles, and all necessary hardware for a perfect installation. Don't let loose clogs slow you down. Secure them with the CALZURO Heel Strap Kit for enhanced stability and confidence. What we like. Upgrade your clogs with this premium Italian rubber heel strap kit. It's designed for a secure fit, ensuring your clogs stay on comfortably. If you're looking for a durable and high-quality solution to enhance the security and comfort of your clogs, this kit is perfect. What people say. These straps are a perfect fit for my Crocs, easy to attach and adjust. The material is durable and feels like it will last a long time. They provide extra comfort and support, making my Crocs even better. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.